At 65, he had just $105 to his name. He slept in his car, knocking on doors, rejected not once, not twice, but 27 times. Everyone told him, "You're too old. You've failed too much. It's over." But instead of giving up, he turned his pain into purpose and created a brand that now feeds millions every day. This is the incredible true story of Colonel Harland Sanders, the man who proved it's never too late to succeed. Born in 1890 in a small town in Indiana, Harland Sanders was just 6 years old when his father died. His mother had to work, so young Harland learned to cook and take care of his younger siblings. He never had a normal childhood. He dropped out of school in the 7th grade and did everything: farmhand, streetcar conductor, railroad worker, insurance salesman. He wasn't born with luck. He was born with responsibility and a fire that never stopped burning. In his 40s, Sanders opened a small service station in Corbin, Kentucky. To attract customers, he started serving fried chicken from his kitchen. It was a hit. People came just for the taste. He wasn't just selling food, he was sharing a part of himself. Eventually, he opened a restaurant and perfected what became his famous 11 herbs and spices recipe. But then came tragedy. In the 1950s, a new highway bypassed his restaurant. The customer traffic vanished. His business collapsed. At 65, broke and nearly hopeless, he had nothing but a pressure cooker, his chicken recipe, and $105 in Social Security. Most people would have quit, but Colonel Sanders wasn't most people. He packed his bags, cooked chicken samples, and hit the road, knocking on doors, trying to franchise his recipe. 1 rejection, 2, 10, 20, 27. No after no after no. People laughed at him. "You're too old. This will never work. Who eats chicken like that?" But on the 28th try, someone finally said yes. That yes became the seed of Kentucky Fried Chicken. By 1964, KFC had over 600 locations. Sanders sold the company for $2 million, which today is over $20 million, but stayed on as a brand ambassador until his death. He became a global icon, not for just chicken, but for courage, persistence, and late-blooming success. It's never too late to start. Rejection is not failure, it's redirection. If your dream is still alive, so are your chances. Colonel Sanders didn't succeed despite being old. He succeeded because he refused to believe age was a limit. So the next time you feel like quitting, remember this. He was broke at 65, rejected 27 times, laughed at by experts, and yet, he became a legend. If you're chasing a dream, drop a fire in the comments. Subscribe for more real stories that prove success has no age and purpose has no deadline. Your dream is waiting. Don't stop now.